I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen sausage casings. First, understand that collagen casings are ready to use straight from the package. No soaking is needed. They come in many sizes, commonly ranging from 17 to 32 millimeters in diameter. Always ensure your stuffing horn matches the casing size perfectly to prevent tearing or air pockets during the stuffing process. This simple step ensures a smooth start. Now let's get to stuffing. Gently slide the entire length of the collagen casing onto your stuffing horn, making sure there are no trapped air pockets. Begin stuffing the meat mixture, applying steady, even pressure. You want the casing to be firm but not stretched to its absolute limit. Overfilling can cause the casing to burst when cooked, so aim for a consistent, moderate fill. Once stuffed, it's time to create your links. Gently twist the sausage at your desired length, then twist the next link in the opposite direction to secure them. This alternating twist method helps keep your links intact. After linking, it's crucial to refrigerate your fresh sausages immediately. For longer preservation, you can easily freeze them, ensuring they remain delicious for future meals. When cooking, collagen casings perform beautifully. They cook evenly, becoming tender and providing that desirable snap when you bite into your sausage. The main advantages are their convenience, no soaking required, and their consistent quality, which makes sausage making much simpler. You'll appreciate the professional finish and delicious texture they bring to your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.